Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the environment. Run Jitbit Macro Recorder as administrator so it captures keystrokes and mouse reliably. Once done, switch your game to windowed or borderless to avoid coordinate drift. Then press record and perform the first in-game action deliberately, click, keypress, or movement so the macro captures timing. Make sure to pause between complex inputs. This preserves intended delays. If you need fixed timing, toggle frame rate, locking, before recording so intervals stay consistent. Once you have the base recording, open the editor and refine the sequence. Trim accidental movements, split long actions, and insert precise delays such as 0, 1 to 1, 0 seconds where needed. Make sure to convert absolute mouse coordinates to relative moves if resolution or UI elements shift. This prevents misclicks. Then add loops for repetition and conditional waits for in-game feedback so the macro doesn't fire ahead. You'll see smoother, predictable behavior when timing and relativity are adjusted carefully. Now test your macro in controlled short runs. Start with one loop, watch behavior, then increase counts. Once stable, assign a hotkey and enable options like Restore Active Window so the game regains focus after interruptions. Make sure to save versions before major edits. If things go wrong, switch to slow playback and record timestamps to find the offending action, then trim or re-record just that segment. This targeted testing and recovery step keeps your macro reliable in actual gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.